Okay, sagutin natin to. Find the area enclosed by r squared is equal to 2a squared cosine theta. Alamin mo muna natin ano yung range value ng ating integral. May coefficient to na 1. Therefore, yan yung magiging denominator natin. Ang numerator natin is 90 degrees. So, 90 over 1 is equal to 90 degrees. Tapos, gagawin natin siyang rad. So, multiply natin pi over 180 is equal to pi over 2. Therefore, ang alpha natin is negative pi over 2. Ang beta natin is pi over 2. Ang formula ng area ng curve ng triangle is from alpha to beta r squared d theta. Okay? Therefore, a is equal to from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 2a squared cosine theta d theta. Yan. Makukuha natin yung sagot sa pamamagitan ng mga Caltech. Okay? Tapin natin. Integral. Let a is equal to 1. So, magiging 2 cosine theta d theta. Okay? 2 times 1 squared cosine from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Make sure na yung ating calculator ay naka-region mode. Equals natin 4. Therefore, 2, sabihin natin 1. Magko-conclude tayo na ang sagot lagi ay magiging 4a squared. Letter C. Okay?